Good evening. You're coming from First Glance Weather. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel for Pinellas County First Glance Weather. This is from your First Glance Weather Center. We're going to look at the weather history recap for last week's weather. We're going to look at the national weather, the state forecast, and then Pinellas 5-day weather forecast. As you can see, Monday through Friday, we had some areas of showers and thunderstorms, and your daytime high was, the highest was on Friday, the 14th, 93 degrees, and your 80 was the low. Generally, we were in, looks like low to low 90s, except for Monday, the high of 88 degrees. Now this is our national weather map for tomorrow. Actually, this is actually for Monday going into Tuesday. Sorry about that again. This is actually Monday going into Tuesday. And we're looks like doesn't look like there's going to be any severe weather Monday into Tuesday, so looks like just most of the United States is covered in showers and thunderstorms with a cold front throughout the Midwest and then a little bit into the Northeast. And then it's associated with the low pressure out around Kansas and Denver, then with a stationary front up in Montana, back to Idaho, back to Nevada and California. Now I have high pressure sitting out in the Gulf. These are some of our morning lows. This is tonight going into Sunday morning, and looks like we're going to have some cool weather up there in the northern states. Looks like lows in the 50s and to the low 60s to the mid 60s, mid 70s to mid to upper 70s in the south to around 80, upper mid 80s in Florida, mid 70s up in the Atlantic states, the Midwest in the upper 60s to lower 70s in the Northeast. Now this is our daytime high tomorrow, and looks like it's going to be warm because there's an area of high pressure out here, and looks like temperatures well in the triple digits. 93 in St. Louis, 86 in Indianapolis, 77 in Boston, 93 in Tallahassee, Fargo, 67, and Seattle, 74. There are daytime highs for tomorrow. This is possible thunderstorms in and around Florida tomorrow, in the Midwest, in the Northeast, and the northern states. So possible thunderstorms. Areas of rain and thunderstorms, mostly North Florida, in the mid-Atlantic, the Northeast, and upper Midwest, and then in the central of areas of showers and thunderstorms. Now this is our shows our jet stream and our low pressure systems. As you can see, the arrows are pointing up here, and then it's going down, and this is an area of that high pressure up in this area here. We got a couple areas of low pressure that is riding down the jet stream like this. Travel concerns for tomorrow. It's mostly some fog up in there. Remember that up in the area up there where we were talking about that low pressure system. And then these red here is possibly thunderstorms for Sunday. Now this is our morning low for Sunday. You're looking at temperature of 81 degrees in Pensacola, 81 Pinellas City, 77 Jacksonville, 77 Gainesville, 79 in Tallahassee, 77, 79 in Jacksonville, Tampa 81, Sarasota 82, Palm Bay 77, West Palm Beach 81, and 83 in Miami. And this is our overnight thunderstorms. We're looking at that 20 to about 30% chance of rain statewide overnight. This is our daytime high for tomorrow. 88 in Pensacola, 87 in Pinellas City, 86 in Tallahassee, Jacksonville 85 in Gainesville at 85, Jacksonville of 88. I don't know why I'm getting so much confusion up there. Daytona 86, Orlando 87, and Tampa 90, Sarasota 91, Cape Coral 91, Palm Bay 89, Port St. Lucie 91, West Palm 88, and Miami 90. So overall, the temperature is going to be upper 80s to about 90, 91 at the most. And this is our afternoon showers and thunderstorms, and looks like about 70 to 80% statewide for tomorrow. With the east coast of Florida being the most east coast, and the northwest and the northeast part of Florida for tomorrow. This is our 5-day weather forecast for First Glance Weather. Thank you for tuning in. This is your First Glance Weather Monday through Friday. And you can see temperatures low to mid 90s, and maybe Thursday approaching closely to that mid temperature range of 94 degrees. And as you can see, we're going to have an increase of rain chance, which last week we didn't have very much rain, but we will have an increase of rain chances for the next 5 days in Pinellas County, which we desperately need that. And the winds are going to be more toward the middle of the week, more southeast. So these storms are going to be more toward the end of the day. These storms may be in the morning and early afternoon, and going back to morning and early afternoon, but a couple of days we may have with our typical afternoon showers and thunderstorms. I'm Jeffrey A. Ginger, your lead forecaster. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or any concerns, make sure you put that in the comment section. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tell your friends and family members about First Glance Weather, Pinellas. Because I like to get up there to get up to 100 to 200 viewers, and so we could keep having this channel grow. And I will see you tomorrow evening for Monday and Tuesday's weather forecasts. So I will see you tomorrow evening for Monday and Tuesday's weather forecast. And then Wednesday we got the Weather Wednesday's question. And then Friday will be the recap for the week that the next week that we're going to be going into. Friday night we'll have the recap, and then Saturday I'll do a Saturday, Friday night with the recap, and also then I'll do a Saturday and Sunday's forecast. So if you have, like I said, if you have any questions about weather Wednesday's questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and feel free to leave me a comment and hit that like button. That sure helps out with my algorithm, and to get more people to be watching our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great evening, and we will see you tomorrow night for Mondays and Tuesdays updated weather forecast. Have a great evening.